exhausted. It's weird, I've been exhausted for weeks. No clue why.
I don't think I'm sick. Well, I'm sick of you complaining.
Hey, guys. Here to inform you that you're both not using your brains very well. No, not just because your fly's down. And got it. But subtle health changes, in this case exhaustion, that don't go away can be an early sign of cancer. And ignoring those health changes for more than a few weeks is an early sign that you're not being very smart. Listen, could be something, could be nothing. Either way, it's worth getting checked out. And you might even get a lollipop. This one's mine.
Can't you just make another one appear?
Yeah. This one's also mine. See ya!